Oh, way they go. Hepburn, one slow out, Wonder Joyce. Hepburn, fast to begin, followed by Masters, Degree, Big Bone, racing in third alongside Alicia's Gold, and Dagger Look is running second last, and Wonder Joyce running at the tail of the field. Hepburn, Big Bone, running down on the inside is Masters, Degree, Dagger Look, Alicia's Gold, and Wonder Joy still running at the tail of the field. Hepburn by 3/4 of a length. Big Bone from the outside. Dagger Luke is running by the last day. Swing for home. Hepburn, Big Bone, Dagger Luke is by the Master's Degree. Entering the last 200 meters more to run. Big Bone from the outside. Hepburn, Dagger Luke down on the inside. Master's Degree. Big Bone by some 2 lengths now, Hepburn. And finally, number 4, Big Bone, Hepburn, Dagger Loop, Master's Degree, Alice's Gold, and Wonder Joy.